Oh, I love this comment. I used to get this comment from my customers all the time when they would call on the phone. I would be like, hello, thank you for calling. They'd tell me all their information. I'd say, yes, ma'am, it'll be $95. I can be there in 30 to 45 minutes. And then they would say something like that. And what I would respond with was, ma'am, I'd like for you to think about your alternatives here. Your alternatives are to call a tow truck and get the tow truck to tow you to a tire shop. Maybe call a friend, depending on a family member. But in this scenario, we're not going to talk about family. We're going to talk about business people who offer services that are similar or related to mine that'll get you moving if something like this happens to you. And in your scenario, you've got a mobile mechanic that's going to come, and trust me, a mobile mechanic's going to charge you more than that. And you're also going to call a tow truck driver. I'm just going to break it down for these two, right? A mobile mechanic, you're probably going to pay anywhere from 50 to 100 bucks just for them to arrive on site and repair your tire. We're very similar alike in our pricing, but I think a mobile mechanic is going to charge you more because they're geared to actually fix cars and do more than I am, right? I'm just geared to come and repair your tire, change your tire, the simple stuff. So for me, $95 arriving on site, plenty. A mobile mechanic, they might charge you more. Now here's the number one alternative people have is to call a towing company. And the towing company is going to charge you based on whether you're on a highway or on the side of the road, based on how far you're going, et cetera, et cetera. And the most you can expect to pay, or the least you can expect to pay for any tow truck, and this is what I know based on my area here in Indianapolis, is going to be at least 90 bucks, right? 90 bucks to get your vehicle towed. But now think about the time that you've lost getting a tow truck driver to come, right? So you're not only waiting for the driver to arrive to your location, but now you're waiting for him to take you to your location. And when you arrive to your location, the tire shop or the repair facility, they're all going to be having customers in line. So now you have to wait for them too. So I offer a time effective service that if anyone needs it, I will get there quickly and get them on their way, as opposed to having your car towed to a tire shop where you have to pay the driver, pay the tow truck guy, wait for the tow truck guy, wait for the delivery of your car to the tire shop. Now you're at the tire shop. You have to wait for them to put you in line, right? And then you also have to pay the tire shop 20 or 40, maybe 50 bucks to repair your tire. So at the end of the day, when you look at my $95 after you really think about it, I'm cheap, right? I'm saving you time, at least an hour of waiting, and I'm saving you money because you're going to pay the tow truck guy or a mobile mechanic, and you're going to pay the tire shop. And at the end of the day, I would much rather pay someone 95 than to pay a tow truck and then pay a tire shop and also lose 2 hours of my day. What if you're out having a date? What if you're late to work and it's your last straw? Right? My service isn't for everyone. It's for those who want somebody to be there quick and for those who want somebody to get them on their way in the fastest time possible. I keep the world moving. Thanks.